sa inyo. Sa lahat po ng kasama sa MMFF, sa 10 napakagandang pelikula, doon pa lang panalo na tayong lahat.
Good.
Of course, this award is for my inspiration, my life, my rock, my husband Ryan, to my 3 beautiful babies, Johan, Lucia, and Luna, to my mom, and my sister, and to dear Lord, thank you po. Hindi ko naisip dito. Sa lahat po ng kapwa Panominado, para sa ating lahat ito, to God, buhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Everyone, to my team, my launchpad, bilang time dito, nanam namin ko ng bonggang-bongga. 24C, Mami Jane, Ra, Tippy, Ana, Mama Carms and Raven, thank you. Sa lahat, sa bawat isang taong naniwala sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you.
Congratulations, Best Actor Dennis Trillo,
Good.
Actress Julia Santos. So guys, susunod na Best Director, Jury Prize winner, at Best Picture winners. Ang MMFF 50 Gabi ng Parangal.
Pabalik na kami dito sa gabi ng parangal ng 50th Metro Manila Film Festival.
And for anything else, we got 10 beautiful, remarkable movies para sa ating MMFF 50. At napakasya talaga na ikaw ang parangal ang bawat isa sa ating kategorya. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, why don't we give a big round of applause to MMFF 50 Board of Jurors. Napakahusay. Thank you so much for making this possible, guys. Alright, I think everyone's ready.
Naku, Robbie, alam mo,
Good.
natin lahat ng awards tonight, pero ito na talaga ang pinaka-inaabangan nating lahat. Ang Best Picture winner.
Oh my gosh, you guys ready? Let's do this! Kung dati simula tayo sa third Best Picture, simula tayo sa Best Picture winner only for this year, for our Golden Edition special year to. Ganun kasi kaganda yung mga MMFF 50 entries natin lahat. And with that, we would love to present our presenters right now, ladies and gentlemen, to present our we got today.
For 50 years, sinalamin ng mga
Great.
MMFF ang kulay ng kultura nating mga Pilipino. Umakyat ito at Pilipino ang nagmarka at ngayon bahagi na ng ating kultura at kasaysayan. At hangad natin na magpatuloy pa ang ganito kalaking celebration
Good.
sa pelikulang Pilipino. Congratulations po sa 10 entries ng MMFF 50. Simulan na natin ang pagganap. Best Picture goes to Isang Wala. To present the award is Senator Paul Lowe and Senator Francis Torrecillo.
Maraming salamat Sir Ricky, artist. Your kindness and generosity. This also for the wonderful music. To producers, probably the greatest producers I know. UXS Stories Creations, Rosie and the Film Circle.
Good.
Mr. Lex King, Arnie Agustin, Rihanna,
Good.
and Sophie Balazar to my collaborators from cinematography.
Good.
Erickson, everybody from post sound VFX and for doing this for 5 months. What an amazing job. Of course, my wonderful cast. Hazel,
Good.
Jackie, Naomi, David, Vic, and the entire ensemble, some of the best performers of Philippine stage now finding the spotlight in Philippine cinema. Please give them a round of applause. Um, uh, Before I go, please, just a little bit more. Sa mga exhibitors po and mga sinihan, lalambing po sana kami ng more screens po for all of the films
Good.
and for Sam Himala especially. Let's celebrate Filipino, ang galing na talento ng mga Pilipino.
Good.
Please, I hope you give a chance to a beautiful musical directed by Sir Ricky Lee. Music by Sir Ricky Lee. Isa pong pelikula na sumasalamin. Isang pelikula, isang musical na wawasak sa atin at magbubuo sa atin muli. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Please give us a chance this weekend and watch the film Isang Himala po. And thank you so much to the MFF for this wonderful honor. Thank you.
Here's your fourth best picture winner, Isang Himala.
Guys, maraming salamat. A while ago, I was just having a meeting with the Execom and the cinema exhibitors, and I was actually supposed to have more cinemas because as we speak, we only have 9 cinemas, which is really and humingi po kami sa inyo ng pagkakataon na sana madagdagan yung aming sinihan dahil napakarami pong tao ang nagre-request na mapanood ang isang
Good.
a lot of people have been asking us, Creation Studios, how did we invest or gamble into this film, despite the fact that we don't have stars. The only answer is why not?
Good.
These people behind me, they're all stars. Thank you so much, the ensemble cast, the actors, the producers behind us, of course, the director. Maraming salamat sa talento. Wala kami. Yung mga taga-teatro, mahuhusay na artista at mga mabigyan ng isang platform para mas marami pang tao ang
Great.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At sana po, pagbigyan nyo yung request namin na magkaroon kami ng mga marami pa or madagdagan na aming sinihan. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas!
Magkakaroon talaga ng
Napakaganda talaga ng kwento.
congratulations, you guys. We are done. Tayo naman ang pabida ng MMFF. The entry na may picture you announce ang ating third best picture winner. And we've got Francis on stage, Seth Madeline, and Francine Diaz.
First time po namin ipansin na bumida sa isang pelikula o MMFF. At malaking karangalan po na
Good.
50th anniversary po para sa MMFF. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo. Sa aming makakalimutan, sa lahat ng MMFF family, maraming salamat.
Kami maging presenter para sa best picture of the
First of all, congratulations to all 10 movies. Ang ganda talaga ng lineup natin this year. Quickly at it's still surreal to be the one up here tonight. If I were to be honest, I wish I was still much really up here accepting one last award. Could be the spotlight.
Good.
But just like what happened, diba? I can't control it. And all we can really control is our actor. So Regal and the Regal family, or so many people that put in the work to make this movie happen. Of course, led by my mom, Rosel Monteverde. Second, I want to thank Best Director and also our writer, si Direk Crisanto Casino. I want to thank the cast and of course fans for their work in this movie. Go watch it. So this movie will feel like a warm hug for the holidays.
Again, big My Picture You. Third Best Picture winner. Awesome job, you guys. And right about now, it's our second ever Jingoy.
Buhay ko ang pelikulang Pilipino. Masaya po tayo ng Golden Anniversary ng Metro Manila Film Festival. At ang nawagi, Second Best Picture.
Great.
Ang pelikulang
Good.
The Kingdom. And Set Productions.
Senator Bongo and Senator Francis Filipino.
Good.
Tonight, I just want to take this opportunity to gratitude Impress Ventures. And I'd like to thank my co-producers, Direct Mike, si Vic Soto po, Mr. Vic Soto from XZEP, and of course, ang boss ko, si Manuel D. Pangilinan, for believing in the film from the very beginning, sa paghanap po ng pondo para itaya sa pelikula. Nagpapasalamat po kay Direk Mike kasi noong February po, nilapitan niya ako at kwento niya sa akin yung pangarap niya sa isang pelikula na titulo at that time was Baluarte. In 5 minutes, I said, let's go, let's make this happen. Like Empress.
Good.
Kay Papa P at saka kay Vic Soto kasi ang usapan namin ni Direk Mike, pag hindi pumayag si Bossing, hindi pumayag si Papa P, pumayag si Papa P, hindi namin gagawin. Thank you to the cast, the crew, the creative people, production people. Maraming salamat po. It's emboldened us to make better, bigger films in the future. Maraming salamat po.
May dadagdag lang po kasi tinanong ko si Bossing kung ano. Dito sabi ko, Bossing, kung medyo swerte tayo, meron ka bang... Of course, you guys know Bossing is a man of few words. Sinabi lang niya, maraming salamat sa bansa ng Pilipinas sa pagsuporta sa bansa ng Kainaan. Yun ang sinabi niya. So, we dedicate this to him. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here. Maraming salamat, Bossing.
Good.
Maraming salamat.
Congratulations to our
deserving manalo. We all witnessed the talent and heart that they put into their work.
Take home the Best Picture Award. This category is brought to you by
Nominees for the Best Picture Award. Please welcome film critic, creative writer, academic, and the
Great.
of MMFF, Mr. Nicolas Soto.
Films are a powerful piece of art that moves people and touches the heart. Sa makasaysayang 5th edition ng MMFF, alin kaya ang pelikulang tumatak at pumukaw sa puso at isip ng manonood? The MMFF 50th Best Picture Award goes to ang una at mahusay na pelikula ay Green Book Picture.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada and Senator Francis Donatino. And to present a check from Playtime is Miss Sophia Pilapil.
We'd like to thank the MMFF, 50th year MMFF, Chairman Artes, Execom, all the jurors for this Best Picture Award. Share this award to all the 10, to the other 9 films in this Metro Manila Film Fest. Because to make years, resources, and talagang we really risk it all because we want to tell a story. And I hope that people listen to all these wonderful stories of these movies in this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. Vanessa in a while, so she can rightfully thank everyone involved in this movie. But I would like to say that we won this award because of the grace of God, and to God be the glory. Thank you.
Thank you so much to the jury. This is historic for us. This is a very big thing for GMA. It was really our aim to bring back the glory of the film studio. We won for Muroami 26 years ago for Los Rizal. That was back to back. And this is back to back Firefly and Green Bones. Congrats, guys!
Good.
So many people on the cast and the beautiful story of Green Bones was created by we workshopped it for months. Producer who fleshed out all the characters with such heart. And then Ange flipped the storytelling around brilliantly. Finally, Ben Toll, our editor, he wrote the script, edit, and it was amazing. Direct Zig was running the ship. So much recognition. So I want Direct Zig to thank the actors and the rest of the team.
Ayun, unang-una sa lahat, mula sa team ng Green Bones, nagpapasalamat kami sa MMFF, sa MMDA, sa jury members. Maraming salamat. Show para sa lahat. Siyempre, ito ay isang gumawa, pero gusto ko lang magpasalamat